Essential tips for providing first aid to your golden retriever. Golden Retriever First Aid. Essential tips for pet owners owning a golden retriever can be a truly rewarding and joyful experience. These beautiful and loyal dogs are known for their friendly and gentle temperament, making them great companions for families and individuals alike. However, just like any other living being, they are prone to accidents and injuries. As a responsible pet owner, it is important to be prepared and equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to administer basic first aid to your golden retriever when needed. In this article, we will discuss some essential tips for handling common emergencies and providing immediate care to your beloved furry friend. 1. Becoming familiar with basic first aid procedures. It is crucial to educate yourself on basic first aid procedures for dogs, including golden retrievers. Understanding how to perform CPR, addressing wounds, dealing with choking or poisoning cases, and knowing how to conduct a thorough physical examination are all important skills that can potentially save your dog's life. 2. Creating a first aid kit. As a responsible golden retriever owner, you should have a well-stocked first aid kit specifically designed for your dog. This kit should include essential items such as sterile gauze pads, adhesive bandages, hydrogen peroxide for wound cleaning, non-stick bandages, tweezers for splinters or ticks, scissors, and a leash. It is important to regularly check your first aid kit and replace any expired or used items. 3. Identifying common health issues. Golden retrievers are susceptible to certain health issues, such as hip dysplasia, skin allergies, and ear infections. It is crucial to be able to recognize the signs and symptoms of these common health problems, as early detection can lead to prompt treatment and better outcomes. Regular visits to the veterinarian should be a part of your routine in order to keep your dog's health in check. For handling wounds. In the event of a wound, it is important to remain calm and take immediate action. Start by gently cleaning the wound with hydrogen peroxide or a mild antiseptic solution. Apply an antibiotic ointment and cover the wound with a non-stick bandage. It is essential to monitor the wound for signs of infection, such as redness, swelling, or discharge. If any of these symptoms arise, consult your veterinarian immediately. 5. Dealing with choking. Choking is a serious emergency that requires immediate action. If your golden retriever is choking, try to remove the object causing the obstruction by carefully reaching into their mouth with a pair of tweezers or your fingers. Be cautious not to push the object further in. If unsuccessful, perform the Heimlich maneuver by standing behind your dog, placing your hands just below their rib cage, and applying firm upward pressure. If the obstruction is still not dislodged, quickly transport your dog to the nearest veterinarian. 6. Poisoning. Golden retrievers are curious animals, which can sometimes lead to ingesting toxic substances. If you suspect poisoning, contact your veterinarian or a pet poison helpline immediately. Do not induce vomiting without professional advice, as it can potentially be harmful. If possible, try to identify the substance ingested and bring it along when seeking medical assistance. 7. Heat stroke prevention and treatment. Golden retrievers are more susceptible to heat stroke due to their thick coats. It is important to ensure they have access to shade, fresh water, and never leave them in a hot car. If your dog shows signs of heat stroke, such as excessive panting, lethargy, or collapse, immediately move them to a cool and shaded area, wet their fur with cool water, and seek veterinary help as soon as possible. 8. Knowing when to seek professional help. While basic first aid knowledge is important, it is equally crucial to know when a situation requires professional help. If you are uncertain or uncomfortable with the severity of an injury or illness, it is always best to contact your veterinarian for guidance. They are trained to handle emergencies and can provide the necessary care and treatment. In conclusion, being prepared and knowledgeable about basic first aid for golden retrievers is essential for every pet owner. By understanding common health issues, creating a first aid kit, and knowing how to handle emergencies such as wounds, choking, poisoning, and heat stroke, you can ensure the well-being of your beloved furry friend. Remember, your quick and proper response can make a significant difference in saving their life.